There's a little personal language in this song that might not make sense to you. And it's not really a foreign language, it's a personal language, and it means whatever you need it to mean. Whatever your heart needs right now, whatever your spirit suggests to you that it might mean. That's what it means. Whoops, wrong key. And while I'm readjusting the key of my guitar, this song was written by myself and a guy from Asheville named Chris Rosser. There we go. It's called Sacred Spaces. Sacred spaces we are making when we gather and we sing round the campfire in a street choir. Join the circle, let it ring. Ain't that some amazing grace? Sanctuary we create. Bring your troubles, tell your story, pass that old guitar around. Raise your voices, make it joyous, listen for that holy sound. Ain't that some amazing grace? Sanctuary we create. Dr. Wayo, see you say, oh. Dr. Wayo, say, say, say. Dr. Wayo, see you say, oh. Dr. Wayo, say, say, say. Feel your heartbeat, there's a rhythm, there is music all around. Find another sister, brother, take a stand on holy ground. Ain't that some amazing grace? The sanctuary we create. Dr. Wayo, see you say, oh. Dr. Wayo, say, say, say. Dr. Wayo, see you say, oh. Dr. Wayo, say, say, say. Ain't that some amazing grace? This sanctuary